It's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about offices. So offices are usually in the front of the home, and you need to be in a space that inspires you to actually work. What I like about this office is that, like, even though we're in an office and you're over here, normally offices have like French doors or a single door. But what I think is really cool about this office is that they actually have two doors that you can like open up and be part of like the rest of the house, but still be in here working. So if you need privacy, you can close it off. But if you don't need privacy and still want to interact but have to accomplish some work, you can do that where it is still being part of the family. So like when you have French doors, like this opens up this way, and then like, we're opening over here, which is usually how most people have like the French doors. But being that they have it on this side as well, it like opens you up to the whole entire house, so you could be here working but then still be part of the whole house. And that's Fancy Friday for today. Hope everyone is living just fancier.